morning, class.
Hello, Mr. Worthy.
Look at all these fun things we can do. Ready, set, school.
Woo!
Too cool for school.
Yay!
Come and join us.
Who's ready for school?
We are! Woo!
Look at all these fun things we can do. Ready, set, school. Let's play the Who Is It game. Listen to my clues. I'm thinking of someone who has yellow hair. Who is it? Press a letter button. That's
Lucy.
Here's another clue. I'm thinking of someone who has yellow hair and wears red clothes. That's
Ham.
Here's another clue. I'm thinking of someone who has yellow hair and wears red clothes and has both eyes open. Who is it? That's Tim.
Right!
You worked it out. What should we do now, class?
S-P.
E.
L.
Okay, let's spell.
Woo!
Wow! Let's spell the word goat. Press a letter button. G.
Yay!
G-O-A-T. You spelled goat. Let's play again. Let's spell the word
Yo-yo.
press a letter button.
Y.
Yes!
Y.
O.
Y.
O. You spelled
Yo-yo.
Let's see what everybody brought in today. Press a letter button.
Pick me! Me! Over here!
Tim brought the tie. Tie starts with T. This tie is terrific.
Ah!
Thank you. Keep going. Marco brought the map. Map starts with M. My map is magnificent.
Ah!
Thank you. Press a letter button.
Pick me! Me!
Over here. Vicky.
Brought the
Van. Van.
starts with
V. My van goes vroom.
clock quiz. What time is it? Move the clock to 12 o'clock. At night. Everyone is sleeping.
Yes!
Move the clock to 7 o'clock. O'clock in the morning. Time to eat breakfast.
Yahoo!
Move the clock to 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock in the morning. It's time to wake up. Let's learn letter sounds, class.
Yahoo!
Press a letter button to hear its sound.
K.
Mix the sound.
K.
Keep going.
L.
Says
L.
press A. Mix the sound A or A. Sounding good, class.
Woo!
Let's see who's here today, class. Let's find Tim. He's Tim.
Woo!
Tim starts with T. Let's find Greg. He's Rob. Oops. Greg starts with G. Press a letter button. Let's meet the class.
Yay! Hello!
Press a letter button.
Pick me!
My name is Albert. Albert. Start with A. I eat
L. Looking good.
Yahoo!
I'm Ursula. Ursula.
Start with
U. I'm unique.
Oh!
Good. My name is Zoe. Zoe.
start with
Z. Zippity zip.
Nice to meet you.
press a letter button.
Pip,